All right, let's now speak to our senior political reporter, Chris Tairu, who covered those particular primaries in Nyamira County. Chris, thank you for joining us. We understand that Mugirango, Member of Parliament, has rejected those results. What exactly are his claims?
Well, a very good afternoon to you, Kisa, and as you correctly put it, is that the West Mugirango Member of Parliament, Dr. James Gesami, who was eyeing the ODM ticket to contest for the gubernatorial seat of Nyamira County, has given the party 48 hours to ensure that they resolve the issues and the queries that he has already raised. He started raising those queries yesterday, indicating that it was not clear on which registers to use. Remember that on his side, James Gesami was for the IEBC list, but for Nyagarama, he was in tandem with what the party was asking, because the party had already indicated that they will be using the ODM party register. And of course, his worries were that during the recruitment drive of the party, his rival, that is Governor Nyangarama, really traversed even neighboring counties importing voters, and that's why he was insisting so that they can use the IEBC voter register so that they can try to lock out those voters who are not members or who don't reside in Nyamira County. But of course, the ball now stops with the National Election Board of the party. As it stands, John Nyagarama will be flying the ODM ticket ahead of the 8th general elections. And according to Gesami, he is expecting some feedback from the party officials within 48 hours. But surprisingly is that he has insisted that he will not be leaving ODM party and that he would rather retire from active politics but remain in ODM party. That's just an indication that he is determined to ensure that the party holds, even in other regions, conducts free and fair nominations. But all in all, the exercise was conducted in a safe manner. There were no violence reported in Nyamira County, and Nyagarama was declared the winner in the morning at 5 a.m. Akisa.
All right, Chris, thank you very much for that update. And as Chris reports, Dr. James Gesami has given the ODM's National Elections Board 48 hours to look into the results of the Nyamira County gubernatorial nomination exercise, which Nyagarama has won. Let's just take a look at what Gesami said earlier on in the day.
He went to the polling station this morning to elect our candidate for ODM. And indeed, right from the morning, I was told that there are problems everywhere. The first time I was given a message in the morning at 8 o'clock was there was a problem in the Menyenya polling station. So I decided actually to to drive from my place to Menyenya. And I found actually that there were materials were missing totally in Iborabu. So totally in Iborabu constituency, there was no register, there was no, officials, and everything was in a mess. I decided that I must move to Nyamira. Literally, I want to come and vote in my Ikurucha polling station. But at the end of the day, I was not able to reach there because there was a problem in the sense that the registers were not there. My strongest points in places like Sironga, there were no registers. And I found that a bit strange. Mbonga, there were no, nothing went on. Then in a place called Gesima, my name was not in the ballot paper.